Today, we're focusing on the Gen 3 Hemi 5.7 engine. To push it to 498 horsepower and 476 foot-pounds of torque, here's your guide. Begin with the SDPC Stage 3 camshaft kit, part number SDRH223231. It will need the removal or disabling of the multi-displacement system. This kit, with its 223-231 duration and 111 lobe separation angle, optimizes your valve timing, improving your engine's power and torque. It will not only increase horsepower significantly, but will carry power throughout the entire power band. Impactful to say the least, with over 115 horsepower and 52 foot-pounds of torque over the stock camshaft. Next, go for some long tube headers to help your engine breathe better. For a 5-speed transmission, opt for a 2,400 plus RPM stall converter. Going for drag strip with slicks, choose a 2,800 plus stall instead. Remember, precision of the build outweighs the parts, so rev up your Hemi to experience an astonishing 498 horsepower and 476 foot-pounds of torque. Follow us for more gearhead content.